Camcorders may not be as popular as they used to be since regular compact cameras can now do much more than taking photographs. There are a lot of people utilizing their compact cameras to record full HD content. 4K videos are more of a rare thing, and if a DSLR camera can record in 4K, it will undoubtedly be much more expensive than a regular 4K camcorder. Although, camcorders that are 4K capable do not come cheap. Well, in this video, we are going to show you some of the best products on the market. Please take a peek at the description below for more information and its latest pricing. The Canon 32GB VIXIA HF R72 films Full HD 1920 by 1080p video to 32GB of internal flash memory or a detachable SD, SDHC, SDXC memory card. It highlights a long 57 times advanced zoom range and a super range optical image stabilization that consolidates to produce sharp and steadier pictures, even when completely zoomed. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC support, the camcorder enables you to connect to iOS and Android devices to allow remote control, live stream monitoring, and recording, and reliable file transfers for uploading your videos and pictures to social networking websites. The HF R72 emphasizes a 3.28 megapixel CMOS image sensor and a DIGIC DV4 image processor that produces up to 1080p 60 video. The MP4 or AVC HD formats are recorded either individually or concurrently using the dual recording option. Built-in down conversion allows you to create smaller sized data, optimized for smooth web sharing. Sony is back again with another best of 2020, and this time, we are looking at the aptly named Sony HD Video Recording HDR-CX405 Handycam. While the name is strangely long and assuredly a mouthful, this should be the only thing to worry about this astonishing video camera. It stars an Exmor-R CMOS sensor and a wide-angle Carl Zeiss zoom lens with 30 times optical zoom. The CX405 catches full HD 1920 by 1080 video at 60p and 9.2 megapixel still pictures to arbitrary memory stick micro and micro SD, SDHC, and SDXC media cards. The Exmor-R CMOS sensor is intended for improved sensitivity in low light situations, and the optical steady shot image stabilization with intelligent active mode gives smooth video. Users can monitor and play back footage through the 2.7-inch LCD with 230K dot resolution. The camera records utilizing XAVCS codec at up to 50 megabits per second and highlights dual recording, which allows you to concurrently catch both high-quality AVC HD and web-optimized MP4 files. The intelligent auto mode analyzes your shot and automatically chooses the appropriate settings from 10 separate scene modes, with 60 various possible combinations. The G20 HD is primarily a higher-end model of Canon that is pulling all the stops when it gets to be one of the best 2020 that are accessible in the market. The video camera gives the same build quality that you usually see in high-end video cameras, and that's a good thing. You won't be feeling any of the poor materials that the companies normally cram in whenever they feel like. It feels good that Canon has chosen to stick with the conventional design that is well recognized in the VIXIA series. Moving on, the performance side of things continues pretty well. For those wondering, megapixel count really isn't the biggest concern with video cameras, essentially because you're not going to use them for stills. The camera is capable of recording videos at full HD, and while that may sound underwhelming to some, it's actually more than sufficient, as this is the resolution most people are striving at these days. The video quality is actually pretty nice, and you have got yourself some nice controls in the camera as well. While nothing is all that flashy in the first place, Canon has led to keep things easy and well respected as well. Coupling Ultra HD 4K video recording with in-camera 4K cropping and editing tools, the Panasonic HC-VX981K 4K Ultra HD camcorder provides a simple yet robust operation to allow users of all levels to catch high-quality UHD 4K and Full HD video. The camcorder is packed with advanced peculiarities, including an HDR movie mode to maintain more highlight and shadow information, and a wireless multi-camera function that allows you to add and record up to 2 picture-in-picture video feeds of mobile devices connected through Wi-Fi. This gives you the capability to capture various angles and viewpoints concurrently for a unique video experience. The camcorder highlights a 1.5.3-inch backside illuminated MOS sensor with an 8.29 megapixel efficient resolution that links with a Crystal Engine 4K image processor to support UHD 4K video at 24 by 30 fps and 1080p video up to 60 fps. The camera is also capable of taking up to 25.9 megapixel interpolated still pictures and offers the capability to extract still photos straight from your 4K video frames, utilizing the 4K photo mode. The Sony FDRAX53 is a palm-sized handycam camcorder that blends a Zeiss 20x optical zoom lens and a high-sensitivity picture sensor to deliver crisp and high-quality UHD 4K video. The Exmor-R CMOS image sensor carries UHD 4K video capture at 24 or 30 fps, utilizing Sony's XAVCS codec, and highlights pixels that are almost 1.6 times larger than the previous model for improved performance in all conditions, especially low-light scenarios. The camcorder also highlights Sony's Balance Optical Steady Shot image stabilization technology to help create smooth and stable footage throughout the zoom range. Further improvements include improved autofocus speed and precision, a lower noise built-in microphone, and a high-speed 1080p 120 fps recording mode to produce high-resolution slow-motion content. You can observe your shots utilizing the camcorder's 3-inch extra-fine LCD touchscreen display with 921K dot resolution, or the high-resolution 0.24-inch 1555K dot OLED EVF. For large screen playback, an HDMI output port is also presented for connecting to your HD TV to large screen. You can even trim a selected part of a 4K video or picture frame to fill the screen with full HD quality. For improved connectivity and remote control, the FDRAX53 is Wi-Fi and NFC enabled. Whether up near or far away, the Canon VIXIA HF R72 allows you to capture sharp and steady full HD video by coupling a 57x advanced zoom range and super range optical image stabilizer. It highlights a 3.28 megapixel CMOS image sensor and a DIGIC DV4 image processor that gives up to 1080 by 60p video. Video is recorded to SD, SDHC, or SDXC memory cards in either MP4 or AVCHD formats. A 3-inch capacitive LCD touch panel is given for natural framing, quick playback, and automatic operation. Created with all levels of users in thought, the HF R72 has a broad range of features to automatically adapt image stabilization, zoom magnification, and image control settings to assist you in getting the best possible images. Highlight priority mode allows you to capture a more natural-looking image, and the camera supports fast and slow-motion recording. A high-capacity battery is included for longer shooting times. If you thought the video was helpful, then go ahead and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another video from us.